Hello, folks. Welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. It's been a while since I've fixed one. Um, Today what we're going to be fixing is steak and cheese subs. Now, I got these on sale here. We ain't going to be using all of these here. We'll probably just use two of these. Probably these ones here. Got a little bit more fat on them. And what I've done before is I put them in the freezer for 30 minutes. That's just to firm them up. So whenever I start shaving them down with the knife, it'll be easier to handle and it'll be firmer pieces of meat. But what we'll need is steak, sub buns, onions, mushrooms, and provolone. Alright, we'll get started here. Alright, now what we're going to do here is we're going to set this out here. You can feel it's firmed up here. Let's see. I'm going to take this one right here. I'm going to cut a piece of the fat cap off. And we'll use that here in just a little bit. I'll show you what we're going to do. Just going to cut that out right there. Alright, we'll set that aside here and I'll show you what we'll do with that. Alright, now what we're going to do, you can see the marbling on the ribeye there. This is what they use most of the time for steak and cheese subs. Yeah, you'll just make however bigger pieces you want. I ain't going to bore you. I'm going to go ahead and get this all chopped up here, and I'll show you the next step here in just a few minutes. This will be mainly just toast our buns right now. I'm probably turn that just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and toast our hoagie rolls. Now what I saved these pieces of fat for is you're making beef tallow. I don't know if I told you there. I told you there. I'd show you in a minute what I was going to do with it. Alright. Alright. Now that I got my buns cut, we're just going to put them on here. Just going to toast them here for just a minute. Don't need to really do it long. Alright, now, got them toasted up here. I'm going to set these at the side here. Don't want to do it long, you just want to get it nice and toasty. Heat them up. Alright. Now, I'm going to add a little bit more butter here. Now, I'm going to turn it up to 350. I turned it down a little bit just for the buns, because I don't want to get them really cooking. Just want to get them toasted. Now, I'm going to add our pieces of beef tallow here. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to saute the onions up. Get them sauteed up, translucent for our sandwiches. Yeah, more or less here, that your pieces of fat cap is all we're doing for it is just using the juice that comes off of it for beef tallow. Make the onions and everything taste good. It'll taste good anyway, but a little bit of beef tallow be good. Alright, I'm going to remove the pieces of beef here. Now, we're going to add our onions. You can see the juices, it changed colors from where we had the butter, and then we added the pieces of fat cap for beef tallow. You can see it changed the color of it, that beef tallow. You ain't got to cook these for long, just enough until they're translucent. And then we're going to take these off here, and we're going to put them back in the bowl, and then we'll add them after our meat gets done cooking. Alright, now I'm just going to put these back in the bowl here. Now these onions here, we still had these left over from the garden last year. We still had a few left over. Now what we want to do here is we want to separate it out into one single layer. That way everything cooks properly. And once our meat gets about done, we'll go ahead and add the onions to it. And then I'll put the mushrooms with it. We'll combine it all up, and then we'll put the provolone cheese on top. You can do whatever kind of cheese you want. We just prefer provolone here. We're a provolone family. I'm just going to use this here. It's Kinder's The Blend. Now this will cook up fast. You just gotta keep an eye on it and watch it. Some of these pieces here will flip over. Alright, we're going to turn it down just a little bit. Our meat's almost done cooking. We're going to turn it down about 300. Then we're going to combine our onions in. Okay. Alright. Put our mushrooms in. Just combine everything up here. Mushrooms and onions both are done. Just got to heat them up just a little bit. Alright, our meat's pretty much done now. We're just going to separate it out into our sandwiches here. Alright, now we're going to add our cheese on top here. We got it turned down to about 200, between 200 and 250, just enough so the cheese can melt. Our meat's done. We're just waiting for the cheese to melt, and then we'll get it plated up onto the buns, and I'll have Mom and Dad do a taste test. Be right back. Alrighty, folks. Dad, he got it plated up for me on the bun here. We'll give it a taste test here. We got 3 separate pieces here. Mom, Dad, dig in and I'll get mine. How is it, Dad?
Delicious.
Mom?
Delicious.
Delicious, folks.
Yeah. Good.
Let me dig in here.
Very good.
Did pretty good. Very
That's
good.
a winner, folks. Good job, Dave.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you. Alrighty, folks. I want to thank y'all for watching. Like the video. Tell us how I did. Tell me how I did. We'll see you Friday. Thank you again for watching.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holmans Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at dawn.